In an AI world, speaking is capital. Here's what I mean. Artificial intelligence can now write your speech. It can build your deck. I use it to build my deck. It used to take me months of research and then hours upon hours to actually design my decks. Now it can draft your pitch, it can script your keynote, and it can do all of it in 9 seconds flat. So let me ask you this question. If the machine can produce the words, what exactly are you being paid for? Stay with me, stay with me. Because the answer might be the most valuable thing I will teach you this year on any of these platforms that you watch me on. Here's what AI just did to the world, and I want you to pay attention to this. It took the cost of information and dropped it to zero. Information that was already ubiquitous and available to everyone can now be synthesized and presented in any kind of form in less than a fraction of the time. Anyone can now know anything. Anyone can generate a report, a strategy, a summary, a script. Knowledge used to be the moat. It used to be the differentiating factor. That moat is gone. But watch closely, because something did not get cheaper. As all of these things were happening, something was holding its value. One particular thing. It held its value while everything around it collapsed. Conviction. The ability to stand in front of other human beings and move them. To make a board believe. To make an investor lean in. To make a room of people who had a dozen other options choose you. AI can write the argument, but it cannot walk into the room and make people trust it. That is still you. And it would always be you. So, the premium has moved. It used to belong to the people who knew the most. Now, it belongs to the people who can move the most. And here is the part almost no one understands. Every high stakes moment in your career is not decided in the document. Have you paid attention to it? Oftentimes, it is decided in a room. The promotion is not decided on your appraisal form. It's decided in the 90 seconds you speak up in the leadership meeting. The funding almost never gets decided in a pitch deck. It is decided in how you answer the one hard question after slide 4. It's always about you and your ability to move people. Have you paid attention to the partnership? Oftentimes, it's not decided in the proposal. It's decided across the table, in person, in real time. AI can write the document. When you are in the room and you become the person that embodies it, you then become the one that brings the document to life. And right now, what I see is most professionals are just pouring everything into the document and almost nothing into the room. What a lot of people are doing is they are sharpening the exact skill that the machine just made free. And then they are neglecting the one skill that the machine can never, ever touch. So, I want to say to you directly, that is a mistake. And it is a mistake I want you to stop making today. Now, let me show you why this matters more than any other skill you will ever build. Most skills are flat. You learn them, you use them, and they stay the same size. Speaking is different. I've done this professionally for the last 16 years. And I can tell you without any iota of doubt in my mind, speaking compounds. The first time you command the room, you win the promotion. That promotion puts you in a bigger room with more powerful people, higher stakes, larger numbers, and the exact same skill now pays you more. Then that room opens a bigger one, and a bigger one, and a bigger one, and a bigger one. Communication is the one asset that appreciates every single time you walk into a high room. It is not a soft skill in a sense that we take it. It is the hardest currency you would ever hold. Speaking is capital. Maybe you say it after me so it sticks. Say after me, say, speaking is capital. Now, let me tell you why I'm telling you this. I want to be honest. My work has been changing over the last several months, and I made a few announcements some months back, and I want to re-echo it. For years, I've taught public speaking to everyone, the student, the young professional, the person who simply wanted to conquer the fear of a stage. And I am absolutely proud of that work. Hundreds, thousands of people, more than 40 countries. But I keep noticing something. The people who needed my trainings, especially in public speaking the most, and had the most to gain for it, and the least time to waste, were the executives, the senior professionals. It's the founder that's trying to raise money, or the leader that's trying to sell a vision, trying to rally people around this breakthrough idea that he wants them to contribute to. It's the person who is technically brilliant and keeps getting passed over because they cannot command the room. And guess what? It is in the room where the decisions are made. For them, this is not a hobby. It is a career capital, left on the table almost all the time. So I made a decision with the team. I'm going to focus my life's work on the people for whom speaking is not a nice to have, but it becomes the single biggest lever that changes the trajectory of their careers. I'm going to focus on executives and serious professionals. And I built something exactly for that. And that's what I want to introduce to you today. I'm calling it, and the team and I went over and over this. Initially, we're calling it the Future is Amidst Speaking Academy. We're going to scratch that for now. We're calling it Speaking Capital. It's an executive speaking academy built on one conviction, that how you speak is an asset. And it's an asset that compounds across your entire career, and that in an AI world, it is the last skill worth mastering. Speaking capital is not a confidence class. It is a professional standard. Now, every program we have is graded against a real rubric, and you leave with a credential. It's called the Certified Executive Speaker Credential. It's the same kind that you can carry on your profile, the way that you carry other qualifications that you earn. There are three ways in which you can access speaking capital. If you want the full method on your own schedule, we have our foundations class. It's online, it's self-paced, and it's the complete framework at an entry that the ambitious professional can say yes to today. If you want the room, the practice, the life coaching, and the graded final, then our flagship, the Boardroom Ready program, is for you. We built it as a hybrid cohort, 2 weekends, built around the same rooms you have to win. We will mimic and simulate the boardroom, the pitch, the stage, and the promotion conversation. And thirdly, if you're a senior leader who wants this delivered privately, one-on-one, shaped entirely around your own high-stakes moment, there is what we call the Speaking Capital Private Practice. 12 weeks, 3 solid months. I spend an entire quarter with you. That we open to only a handful of clients each quarter. So, the machines are going to keep getting better. I keep saying this everywhere I go. They're going to get better at producing the words. They're going to get better at synthesizing the data. That is a foregone conclusion. It is settled. The question is no longer whether AI can do what you do. The question is whether you can do the one thing it never will be able to do. And that is to stand in front of other people and move them. That skill is capital. And it is time you started treating it that way. If you're ready, the first cohort is open. The link is below. Come and build the one asset that appreciates every single time you walk into a room. I'll see you in the room. Speaking is capital. Cheers.